Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see from the title, today I will be showing you guys how to glue on individual feathers. Now it's currently prom season and I know a lot of you guys have been seeing these individual prom dresses and you guys may think it's very hard, but no, it is very simple. So I ordered a couple of these individual feathers off of Amazon. Just Google individual feathers on Amazon, on eBay, and they're very cheap. These aren't from China, so when you guys order your individual feathers, make sure they're not from China if you need them ASAP, because it will take at least 3 to 4 weeks to arrive to you guys. I got these within about 3 days, and I believe I paid 20 feathers for, I believe, $6, and I got the 10 to 12 inches. So once you guys open up the pack, these are what the individual feathers look like. Or if you don't want to order them, you can easily go to like Michael's or Joann's or craft store and use them. But yeah, again, these are the individual feathers that are in season that a lot of designers have been using. So I got a request to use these for a prom dress, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to glue them on. Now this is my way of how to do the individual feathers. Another fellow designer on my sewing group and on Instagram showed me her way on how to do them. Okay, so I found her Instagram. So her Instagram is at KERSTINEFAURE, and she told me how to do her method. So this is her Instagram. If you guys can see, she is the bomb. So screenshot that, write down her Instagram, because she is the bomb, and she also does a lot of prom gowns. Don't mind my phone, it is cracked, but yeah, this is her Instagram. So make sure you guys check out her work, because she's also amazing. Like, she's the bomb as well. So once again, I'm going to show you guys how to glue on these feathers. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see how the step is, how easy it is, and this is my way. If you guys know any easier way, please let me know. This is not sewing. This is just using E6000, a base fabric, and individual feathers, and that's it. So let's go ahead and let me show you what it looks like. The first thing you guys will need to do is, once you guys actually get the individual feathers, there will be a tip like this, and you want to just go ahead and cut that tip off so it can look something like this. I already have a couple of them cut off. So I'm going to show you guys what the next step should be. So you will have your individual feather, and again, you guys will need E6000 glue, and this is a big tube, and that's why I have this top like this. So I'm going to start on this side, and as you guys can see, I already have a few feathers already started and already finished. So I'm going to work my way up. I've been going from left to right, left to right. Make sure you guys have a pattern. Not a pattern, but make sure you guys know how you want to put the feathers on and which way. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and start right here. So I just want to put the feather down just to see where I want to place it, see where I want to go. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put this feather right here, and I will have my glue. I'm going to put my hand down and I'm going to push out glue. And I'm going to put the glue on top of the actual tip. And I'm going to put some over the feathers. I'm going to put some on the base of the fabric. And I'm going to make sure that the entire base of the stem of the feather is covered enough. So it's a very quick process. And I've already done the front of the dress with the feathers. And no feathers have came off at all. You got to make sure you put enough glue. And make sure you're using the right glue. So far the E6000 works for me, and that's really, I'm gonna go ahead and take the next one and put it right here. So see how it's empty? I'm gonna place it right here. Make sure you guys cover these glue marks, because they will dry, but they will be dark. And make sure you're using white base if it's a white feather. So this is a gray fabric, so I'm using gray feathers. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this up with this feather, so you won't even see the gray mark. Again, place some glue over the stem. Place it right at the tip of the stem. And I'm going to add some on the sides of the feathers a little bit. And make sure that you also put some glue around on the base of the fabric. And you guys will continue this method until you guys get to the top of your circle skirt or whatever it is that you're gluing these feathers on. Also make sure your fingernails don't get stuck in the glue like I just did. I wasn't even paying attention. Okay, so also make sure that you guys have enough glue while doing this process. And again, when doing this process, you guys need to take your time, and you guys will also need time to let this glue dry. So I let my front circle skirt with the feathers dry for about 24 hours to 2 days, and it dried completely. So I would say give yourself about 2 days in between before starting the front and starting the back, because the glue needs to dry. So I did the front already. Now I'm doing the back. I'm gonna let this dry up until tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides. So this is a very easy process. This is not gonna be a long video. You guys have been wondering how this process is done, and it's a very simple process. Again, empty space. I have my glue, and I'm trying to put it down before the glue drips, because the glue will drip, because this is kind of a messy process, but if you take your time, it won't be that messy, and you gotta move fast because glue will drip. And that's really about it. And again, if you guys want to see any of these dresses that are on my channel, go to my Instagram at Classic Royalty, and you will see all of my clients wearing every single garment that I've been showing you guys how to make on my YouTube channel. Or if you guys want to see me do fittings, follow me on Snapchat, Classic Royalty D, and that's Classic Royalty D as in David. And that's basically it. So see, I showed you guys how to do about 3 or 4 of them. It's a very simple process. 5 minutes to do all of them on one side, wait about a day or 2, then turn it over and do the other side, wait about a day or 2, and then you'll go ahead to do the side seam. So see how my side seam right here is empty? I have pins here holding the fabric down so it won't pucker. But then after I complete all of this, I'm gonna go ahead and do the side seams. So again, if you guys want to see this dress completely finished and on my client, make sure you guys add me on Snapchat at Classic Royalty D as in David. And if you want to actually see the video or my client wearing this during prom season, make sure you guys go to my Instagram. You will see this and every other dress that I made on my YouTube channel. And if you guys have any questions about the feathers, the base fabric, or again what glue I'm using, leave it below in the comments. And again, if you guys have any other videos you guys want me to do about prom season, Q&As, or just anything else in general about fashion, sewing, prom season, or bridal, or whatever it is, leave it below in the comments, and I'll try my best to get back in contact with you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very quick, very simple. If you guys try this method, please let me know. Send me an email. I would love to see how you guys' dresses come out. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching this short video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.